Now this next move is really going to focus on the upper back. You're going to feel it right in this area right here. And to execute it properly, you're going to focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together right in here, right in between the two shoulder blades where they meet. Kind of like you're trying to put a pencil here, and you're going to squeeze that pencil so it doesn't fall. So to get into the position, it's similar to the tricep kickback. And then I'm going to have my left elbow on my right knee right here. My right leg is going to be straight behind me. And I'm going to bring this bag up to my side, keeping my arm nice and straight and keeping my arm below my shoulder, okay? As you start bringing your arm up closer to your head like this, it starts bringing in more of your deltoids and your shoulder muscles, and we want to focus on that back. So I'm going to make sure that my arm stays back behind my shoulder as I bring this bag up off the floor just like that. Once again, keep that back nice and straight, okay? You should be arched over like that. You should have your back nice and straight, maintaining that curve in the lower part of your back, and then just bring that arm straight up and then back down again. You should really feel it concentrating right there on the back side of your shoulder. Now I'm going to go to the left side. I've got my right elbow on my right knee. My arm's going to be nice and straight. Again, keep that wrist below shoulder and just pull straight up on the left side.